morning I came up from a YouTube.
U MP Rajya Sabha Dr. W.R. Karluki haka arpo tarik jilio. Ula Ujor pyrshah ya uwei YouTuber. Halor ka jingkynnoh bamsap halor ka scheme members of parliament local area development scheme MPLADS. Habakaran siya kinong to kubor. Ukarluki ulaong ba ulong ubakloy ban pediang ya kinu ki jingto kin. But unrisan kum UMP. Ladadon ka bamsap ha ka jingpentre ya ka scheme jong u kum UMP. Ulaong ba ula Ujor pyrshah ya uni YouTuber. Ubatip kum URS karbani. Halor ka jingkynnoh ba ubamsap. But don ka bamsap ha ka jingpentre ya ka scheme jong u kum UMP.
Morning I came up from a YouTuber who tried to present me as an MP that I was corrupt. And not only that, I have already complained to the cybercrime. Because the way it was presented, I don't know whether you have seen it or not. The way it was presented to me, I feel it was presented in that way. And then, the way that remarks came, of course, not only for me, all the three MPs. For me, this is what I really value. Right from the day I was in politics, even my mother and father have taught me that whatever I may be, I should try to live with integrity. So that's why I call this press conference. Yeladi nga value bah ya kata ka ba kumunong hoy ngam de buhok ngomong de buhok de burin nga persang ban imbek ban yajbek ba nga value kata ka balahi kay nga nado panganang red di may pa junga ba ndagami kani ba nga dapet ya kitu ki comments hagitu comments si kala pan pau ba kin de puli ya kani ke YouTube lala pangi de yinong to lala pag ta kapisa balong ba kung mangito mangi dan mar kata ka daw ang ipimene immediately marsin yo kato na file ya ka ayu haga cyber ya ka information report yung haga cyber crime jonga government of Meghalaya tong police to ki makpek maki ya kato dengan ong meneng ong pek ke scheme jonga arhulai arhuar kala adep na DC office pun yo lut la adep clear lut borok scheme nang ta like stang gitu ki ba kim submit utilization certificate di bom submit utilization certificate tu video num ai namar banga ke scheme jonga ki poi bech ki dorbar snong lane kumon mod ki school lane ki hospital bat ki pentrei rum ki bat nga ong hang ni le tapi lap bakadon ko we ke scheme bok ki ong bo pentrei Dr. Karluki that day I will resign as MP le don ki ong bo nga pentrei mga nga e bech snong kare ki jongki nang ta sagawai pat kani ke scheme jonga arkulai arusau hajing sya kani kala de ban lut te henry number ta ka election ti gedang sa skat tu kan ni gi nang haben clear to menswa ha ko por ke scheme arkulai ni bo nodal officer UDC dengan bo ni is kasils te kawan nga ngalong tang recommending authority ki snong ki tho nga recommend so DC nang ta UDC pat usa ai ko pisa bagi dai ban yo sigi block. This for example, como I 10 lakhs, ki I ke block ka I ki beneficiary san lang. Ndagi la ada trade siteng ki submit UC ki se yo skate siteng ban pendep ka kam joki kan. Kani ka ya 22 23. Ndawan kani ka 23 24 pat ke ji akum no ke change ke system adeli. Haga jaka ke rural development department jong government of India kala ayat not through parliament. Dan nga parliament bat kay ke bajia online nga submit back sa parliament na parliament ki pha sa baro ki DC ki district te ka poi ka scheme ki video nang te ka poi ki te ka yak kum tang te nang ta kumun ong fi ong mene te ong ka ta ka ju ong south la jan south nem bangayat politics te nga persang kat ka bangala ban imbek ban yak back hanga ka bi kum kani means it's really hurt namar hado menta ngam de ko be bangalong bohok na try I'm open for any investigation any banda sumut ladon bokno nga ki papers ba uong bang bam gani katai ke ai ka ban le nang kong ngan tho be manga su government please write to the CBI to investigate me and lergi lap bangale I'm ready to go to jail and number 2 and file an defamation case ke YouTube buru bo penjak bo romingala dalam ngayo tu ko pisang ngam don kam pisang ngam hanga ke pisah kamde ke jing im. Tu pisah sa asing beduk ke. Dengan yo beli udon kam. Ngan lek mungta ke tadai manga. Dinang ta kumun ong ifi fai. Along transparent like ho express. I have 3 bank accounts. It is open. Barabajar kedong ke SBI nang ta ke lain kra SBI but HDFC is lain kra. Anybody kila ba. By now hakakat ni kesnem mo 40 years hak political career ke dong ati. Latuk te la tenat kan bank account ro. Kumun suang ni hikai no ngabar di badon ni hikai. Tip as teachers imyo pension. Angam panse ngan hab that iladi. That for 3 years before I becoming an MP, my wife is feeding me. That was our life. And then these people can speak like this. From the way that it was projected, no, that the remaining, that no utilization was submit and all this, the projection was, and if you look at the comments, all the comments, we are at the receiving end. From the way he projected this statement of his, the comments was that to the people who read this, we're stealing the money. So the way that it was projected, even if I read it, it was projected in that way only.
So when has you?
So the thing is like this, see, like I told you, 22-23, my thing is 22-23, it's already all 5 crores finished. In the DC office, you'll get it. If you go to the website, you'll get it. And even this 23-24 that I said, the process is going on, actually it should have been finished. But because of the election, so a little delay on some of the scheme. And I have said that not only that, you will find in the, in the website that villages that I have given, you can go to the village. If they said that at least this work was not done by them, it was done by Dr. Kharluki's man, I will resign that day.